Hi children, how are you all? I hope all you are good. Children, say that in the previous video we discussed the problems from worksheet 2. Okay, and here in this video we are going to discuss the problems from worksheet 2A. Okay, let us see here what is the first question they given here. Round off 89 to the nearest tens, which means here we need to write the estimating nearest values of either tens, hundreds, nearest thousands. Okay, this is related to nearest tens. Okay ma'am, here I'll tell you one thing. See that, okay, why I drawn this one means, see here, this is the peak place. Just take that 5. Actually, come to this concept here, just we have to compare the numbers. We have to compare the numbers with 5, either greater than 5 or less than 5. This is greater than 5 and this is less than 5. Understood ma? That one is the right side of 5 is greater than 5. Left side of 5 is less than 5. How it will be means I'll tell you. See here. This is 0 and this is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. These all the values are less than 5 or not? Less than 5 only, no? And come to this side. 6, 7, 8, 9. 6, 7, 8, 9. Those all the numbers are greater than 5. Okay, so what is the concept means here? See, if the digit either that is in ones place, tens place or hundreds place, that is related to, that is depends on the concept. Okay, we will discuss about that one later. First see this one. If the digit, what digit we are comparing with a 5? If the digit is greater than 5, then the number rises to next number. Then the number should be raised to 10, nearest tens or nearest hundreds. And if it is less than 10, then the number comes backward direction. Then the number comes which direction ma? Backward direction. Understood? See here, as per this one, what is the question? Round off 89 to the nearest tens value they are asking. So tens means this is sufficient. Okay, while we are writing the nearest tens, we have to compare the digit what is there in its units place. Okay, we have to compare the digits in the units place digits. So 89 is there. While you are writing for the tens place nearest tens, here 9 is there, no ma? So 9 is greater than 5. If the number is greater than 5, then which direction you have to move? Forward direction or backward direction? This is a forward direction and this is a backward direction. Okay, if the digit is greater than 5, which digit we are comparing? The digit is greater than 5, then which side we have to move? Forward direction or backward direction? Yes, 9 is here. 9 is greater than 5. That's why we have to move forward direction. Okay, and here the number is 89. Okay, just we have to take that 85, 90, here 80. Why? Because 81, 82, 83, 84 will come no here. Next 86, 87, 88, 89. So 89 they given here, which is greater than 85. So we have to go for that forward direction. So what is the answer here? What is the nearest tens value here? That is 90. That is 90. Understood ma this concept? Okay. Just check that another one, then you will get that clarity. See here, this is also nearest tens they are asking. Okay, what number they given here? What number they given here? Nearest tens of that 415. Whatever it may be here, always you have to write the number at the peak stage, that is 5 only. The number which is ending with 5 only, here we have to write. Understood ma? And here 415 is there. Tens they are asking, no. So that's why 415. So here 420. Here 410. Why? Because they are asking the relation between tens only ma. Okay, the difference should be 10 only. Understood? The number which is lies at that in between 410 and 420, that is 415. See here. 415, the units place digit is 5. So always we have to compare with the 5, no? So 5 is equal to 5. If that, the digit which is 5 equals to 5 or greater than 5, then we have to move forward direction only. then we have to move forward direction only. Okay, actually here another concept is that just we have to add 1 and you have to write that 0 in that leftover places. Okay ma, but this is easy way to understand to you. Okay, then here 415 is there. 415 means which is exactly the first place digit, units place digit, which is equals to 5 only, no? Then we have to move that forward direction. Then what is the answer here? 420. Which option is correct here? Option C is correct. Understood ma? Yes. Let us see here next one. Round off. This is also nearest tens only. See. But what is the number here? 3951. 4-digit number. 3951. At the peak stage, what number I said you have to write? The number that is containing 2 digits, 3 digits, 4 digits, whatever it may be. But we have to write here at the peak stage, always we have to write the number which is ending with a 5. Which is ending with a 5. So in this series, 3955. Okay, what number that given? That number only we have to write here, 3955. And here they're asking nearest tens. Nearest tens means 3950, 3960. Nearest tens they're asking 50, 60. Okay, see here. Now 3951. 3951. Okay, now here 3951, here 1 is there, no, in 3951 here 1 is there. 1 is less than 5. 1 is less than 5, which means here 3951 is less than 3955. Understood, no? So that is less than means which direction we have to move here? Just we have to come that backward direction only, no? Backward direction. Backward direction, what is that answer here? What is the number? 3950. So which option is correct ma? Option B is correct, that is 3950. Understood this concept? I hope you understand this one. Next, see that. Fourth one, what is that? Round off 4409 to the nearest tens. Again nearest tens only. Okay, again. The number whatever it may be, just you have to write that 440. Here 9 is there. Here always you have to write with 5 only, no? Next, nearest tens only they are asking. The difference is tens only. So 4400. 401, 402, 403, 404, 405. Clear? 406, 407, 408, 409, 410. Clear ma? Nearest tens they are asking, no, that's why. Now the number, what is the number they given here? 4409. Which means 4409 is greater than 4405. Which means which direction you have to move now? Forward direction only, no? In that forward direction, what is that answer here? 4410. Okay, which option is correct ma here? Option A is correct. Understood ma? Yes. Next, here onwards, nearest hundreds. Nearest hundreds also same only ma. Just we have to take the difference is 100. Okay, just they're asking hundreds means for example here 100, then here 200, here 300, here 400, or here 0, here 100. Understood? Now what number they are given? 695. 695. 695. So the number nearest hundreds they are asking, no ma, nearest hundreds. So 695 is there. 600, 700. Yes or no? That number is lies in between 600 and 700. Okay. That's why here 695 is there. 695 means here that number only they given here. 695 is equal to 695. That's why we have to move that forward direction. Okay, that's why we have to move that forward direction. Then what is the answer? That number is nearer to 700. Understood ma? Which option is correct now? Option A is correct. Okay, next. Let us see that sixth one. What is that? Round off 36,152 to the nearest hundreds. To the nearest hundreds. 39,152. Nearest hundreds means up to hundreds place we have to check. Okay. So 3, 6. Here how many hundreds are there? 100 is there. So 100 to 36,200. 36,200. That number is lies in between these two numbers only now. Now what is the peak stage? What is the number we have to write? That number should be ending with 5. So 3, 6. 150. Why? Because madam we are writing here 0, 5 and 0. Why? Because here while you are comparing that, while you are writing that nearest hundreds, we have to check that tens place digit. Here tens place digit should be 5. Tens place digit should be 5. For that tens place, nearest tens means that number should be ends with 5. Okay ma? But come to here, this is the middle number which is greater than 50 we have to take here. Understood? Why? Because here the tens place digit should be equals to 5. Understood? Now here take that 36,100 and here 36,150, 36,200. Just at least middle value we are writing ma here. Okay. So 152. 152 means where it will be? 36,152. Which means that is greater than 36,150 only, no? 36,152 is greater than 36,150. Okay, as per this condition, that number is nearer to which value ma here? Just we have to go that forward direction. Then the answer is 36,200. So which option is correct here? Option B is correct. Understood? Yes. Let us see here next is 7th one. This is also nearest hundreds only, no ma? Next, 13,648. 13,648. 600 plus is there, which means the number which is lies in between 600 and 700. Okay, and here that before two digits there, now what is that? 13,600, 13,700. Understood? Now, here 13,650 is the middle number. Understood, ma'am? Now here 48 is there. So 13,648, which is less than 13,650 only, no? That's why we have to move that backward direction. That's why we have to move that backward direction. Why? Because the given number is 13,648 is less than 13,650. That's why we have to come back that backward direction. Backward direction. Then what is the answer here? 13,600. So which option is correct ma here? Option C is correct. Am I clear, children? Yes. Let us see next one. Round off nearest hundreds. This is also same. Again 13,618. So again the number which is lies in between 600 and 700. And before we are having two digits, that is those two are 93,700. What is the middle peak number here? That is 93,650. Understood? Now what number they given? 93,618. 93,618. Okay, so 93,618 is less than 93,650. Less than means which side you have to come? You have to move backward direction. Okay ma, then what is the answer here? 93,600. Which option is correct? Option D is correct, that is 93,600. Understood ma? Yes. Next, 9th one. See that round off nearest thousands. Okay, here the difference should be in thousands. Okay, the limit is also thousands only. Here say that 3,415, which means the number which is greater than 3,000. Greater than 3,000 means lies in between 3,000 and 4,000. The difference should be 1,000 now. 3,000 and 4,000. And here 3,415. Actually here 3,400. Sorry. Here 3,500. Why? Because while you are writing that nearest thousands, okay, here hundreds place should be 5. Hundreds place digit should be 5. Okay, ma'am. While you are writing that nearest tens units place must be 5. While you are writing nearest hundreds, tens place should be 5. While you are writing nearest thousands, hundreds place must be 5. Understood? Leftover digits zeros only. Okay. Now see here. 3,415. So 3,415 which is less than 3,500. So 3,415 is less than 3,500. Is less than 3,500. Less than means which direction we have to move? Backward direction only, no? Backward direction only, no? Okay, ma'am. So that number is nearer to which number here? 3,000. So which option is correct here? Option A is correct. Understood? Yes. Next, see that. This is also nearest thousands. And see that 70,000. 70,124. Okay. And here just they are asking thousands only, no ma, not 10,000. So that's why 70,000 to 71,000. Just difference 1,000 only. Why? Because they are asking thousands. Understood? So 70,500. That is the peak value. Now here what number they given? 70,124. So 70,124 here only you will get, no? Why? Because here 1 is there, here 5 is there. So 1 is less than 5 only, no? Okay, that's why which direction you have to move? Backward direction only. Which direction, ma? Backward direction. Then that number is equals to which value? 70,000. Simply that value is nearer to 70,000. Understood? Yes. Let us see here next question. Round off 8,765 to the nearest thousands. Nearest thousands. Here starting is 8,000. 8,700 which means 8,000 plus value is there. Which means the number which is lies in between 8,000. Next 1,000 is 9,000 only, no? Okay, now here the middlemost value is 8,500. Why? Because hundreds place digit should be equals to 5. Okay, ma'am. Now here 8765. 8765 means here you will get that. Okay, why? Because 8765 is greater than 8,500. Okay, greater than means which side you have to move? Forward direction only, no? Forward direction only. So what is the nearest value here? 9,000. Understood, ma? Then what is the answer here? 9,000. Clear? Yes. Let us see here next question and the final question. This is also nearest thousands. 4,001. 4,001. Which means here the number which is lies in between 4,000 and 5,000. 4,000 and 5,000. And the middlemost value is 4,500. Okay. Now what is the given number here? 4,001. Which means here that is there. 4,000, 4,001. Okay. Now here as per this one, 4,001 is less than 4,500. Less than means which direction you have to move? Backward direction only, no? Okay, backward direction means that number is nearer to which value here? 4,000. Understood, ma? Then what is that answer here? Option D is correct. That is 4,000. So children, up to here 12 questions completed from that worksheet 2A, which means worksheet 2A completed as well as the first concept also completed. Okay children, in that next video we will meet with the worksheets from second concept. Understood? Thank you all.